Do you know what protein treatment is and how it can help your hair? It's yet another episode on Laurie's World where we do everything hair, beauty, and confidence. Alright, Queen, before we talk about how often, let's first understand what a protein treatment really does. Protein strengthens your hair by filling in the gaps in your strands, especially if your hair is weak, breaking, or overly processed. Think of it like patching up a wall full of cracks. That's what protein does in your hair shaft. But here is the truth. Too much protein can cause dryness and breakage. So it's all about balance. Like we all know, too much of everything is bad. Now to the big question. How often should you do protein treatments? It depends on your hair condition. 1. If your hair is healthy and strong, you don't need protein treatments often. Maybe once every 6 to 8 weeks just for maintenance. 2. If your hair is breaking, shedding, or feels mushy when wet, you likely have too much moisture and not enough protein. You'll benefit from a light protein treatment every 2 to 4 weeks until balance is restored. 3. If you just relaxed, colored, or bleached your hair, you need a protein treatment immediately after to restore strength, then follow up in 2 weeks' time. And 4th is using a strong treatment like Alpha G 2-step. That's a heavy duty repair. Only do it every 6 to 8 weeks, no more, because it has a very high A. How will you know you need protein? I know you might be asking that. So hair feels soft but snaps easily. Let's do this. Okay, I don't think I have that problem. Second, losing hair even when you are gentle. And third is strands feel stretchy like a rubber band. That's your hair crying out for strength. It says time to protein up. But if your hair feels stiff, dry, or brittle, that might be protein overload. What you need then is moisture, not more protein. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being on my page. If you want more of this thing, kindly put in the comment section. Thank you.